Today we're taking an in-depth look at the ENERLITES low-voltage ceiling sensor, model MPC50L. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say. This occupancy motion detector is designed for both commercial and industrial use, offering a 360-degree field of view and covering up to 1,200 square feet. It's intended to control incandescent, CFL, and LED lighting, providing an energy-efficient solution for homes, offices, and businesses. This particular model requires the ENERLITES MPP24 Power Pack, which is sold separately. Let's delve into its features, performance, and what users are saying about it. From the specifications, the ENERLITES sensor operates on 24 volts and is rated for up to 240 watts. It has adjustable time delay settings ranging from 5 seconds to 30 minutes, configurable via a dip switch. The sensitivity is also adjustable, from 50% to 100%. The operating temperature range is between 32 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is UL and CUL listed, as well as California, Title 20 and 24 compliant. Now, let's examine some of the experiences users have reported. Installation is generally perceived as straightforward, with one user noting its ease in a basement setting. It eliminated the need to manually turn off lights, a common convenience cited by many. The wiring is labeled, simplifying the process, and the unit includes a test mode for initial setup. Some users have used it to control lights in a garage and basement, and have found it to be effective with good range and sensitivity. However, some users have reported issues with physical compatibility. The sensor's shape can be problematic, extending into the fixture box and potentially interfering with solid ears in circular boxes. A square fixture box might be necessary for flush mounting. One user had to source an extension kit because it would not fit into the standard box store, round old work boxes. The part number is ENERLITES MPC-A, and the user noted that it is not sold on Amazon. A few users have specifically mentioned the line voltage version of this unit, highlighting that it does not fit into standard 14, 18 cubic inch round old work boxes commonly found in stores. This necessitates purchasing an extension kit directly from ENERLITES. The product weight is around 4 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle during installation. The item dimensions are 5x5x1 inches. The sensor's passive infrared or PIR lens has received mixed feedback. One user found it prone to falling off easily if not handled carefully. Another point of concern is the sound of the relay when it actuates. The clicking sound can be quite noticeable, particularly in rooms with lower ceilings. There is also a mention of a peculiar incident where the sensor stopped working after the power was cut for painting, only to spontaneously start working again a week later. This issue remains unexplained. Another user provided a detailed explanation of the 2 small gray wires for a momentary switch. These wires are for a momentary, normally open switch, like a doorbell or a garage door opener. The user explains the difference between vacancy enabled and vacancy disabled. When vacancy is disabled, the sensor detects motion, turns the lights on, and resets the timer with new motion. The timer runs out and then the lights turn off. While the lights are on, the momentary switch will turn the lights off and on as many times as wanted until the timer runs out. If the lights are turned off with the momentary switch, they will remain off even if new motion is detected until the timer runs out, and then new motion will turn the lights on. When vacancy is enabled, the sensor is sensing but the lights remain off. The momentary button will turn the lights on only if the timer is active, meaning sensing must happen before. If the lights are on and the timer expires, the lights turn off, but if in the next 30 seconds the sensor senses motion again, the lights will turn back on for another timer period. If the timer and the 30 seconds expire, sensing will not turn on lights. In short, this mode prevents lights from turning on during periods you don't want, and lights stay off if manually turned off, or timer plus 30 seconds expires. The user chose to keep the vacancy disabled, and uses the momentary switch if they know they will not return for a while, so the lights do not stay on for the duration of the timer. In terms of energy efficiency, the low-voltage design of the ENERLITES sensor contributes to minimizing energy consumption. Its adjustable time delay and sensitivity settings also allow customization based on specific room requirements, further optimizing energy savings. The 360-degree view and multi-level coverage up to 1,200 square feet make it suitable for a range of spaces, from small offices to larger commercial areas. From the reviews gathered, the ENERLITES low-voltage ceiling sensor demonstrates reliable performance in motion detection and lighting control. Many users appreciate its ease of installation and the convenience it brings by automatically managing lighting. It's generally priced reasonably, making it an accessible option for those seeking to automate their lighting systems. However, potential buyers should be aware of the compatibility issues with standard junction boxes. Ensuring you have the appropriate box or are willing to purchase an extension kit is crucial for a smooth installation process. The sensitivity of the PIR lens and the loudness of the relay click are also worth considering, depending on the specific application and environment. Some users found these to be minor inconveniences, while others might find them more significant. Also, keep in mind that the ENERLITES MPP24 Power Pack is required for use. To summarize the pros, it has easy installation for many users, reliable motion detection, adjustable settings for time delay and sensitivity, energy-efficient operation, and broad coverage area. On the con side, it may have compatibility issues with standard junction boxes. The PIR lens is prone to falling off, the relay click is loud, the instructions for the gray wires and vacancy function are poorly explained, and it requires a separate power pack. Overall, the ENERLITES low-voltage ceiling sensor appears to be a solid choice for those seeking automated lighting control, but careful consideration of the installation requirements and potential drawbacks is advised. Consider using the link in the description to support the channel. Thanks for watching!